This morning, Coach Bedford had his weekly press conference where he was confronted about his lack of participation with the media.
My thing is, how often do I interview? So therefore, those players or coaches have to take bullets for me because I'm interviewing like I've always interviewed for. Therefore, we all knew this day was going to come. So again, Kirk was the only one that reached out to me, and I hit you back when you reached out to me. No one else in this room did that. So there's been guys out there saying, well, I reached out to Vance and Vance had to hit me back. That's not true. Majority of the time when anybody in this room hit me back, if you ask about personnel, you get back nothing. Is that not right, Kirk? Because I don't give information out. That's number one. But Kirk, I appreciate you reaching out to me and being a man as far as hit me up. So I thank you for that. So if somebody took a bullet for me, everybody know what day this was, when I was going to be here. So that's not an issue. And if it was, then you should pick up the phone and give me a call. It's not that hard to find me. Kirk has found me, hasn't you, Kirk? So that's not a problem. So at the same time, I will be there after the ball game. So again, nobody's taking bullets from me. People know how to reach me. And at the same time, if somebody wanted to reach John and say, can Vance talk? Well, if it comes down that I need to talk, you reach out to Mr. Bianca right here, and we get something worked out. It's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. But you also hit me up in the past too, Anwar, and I hit you back. As long as it's not talking about personnel, that type of thing, you know how I am. I don't give information out. So the most important thing to me, guys, is this football team, our players, their confidence, their attitude. And my thing is this: everybody knows when I'm going to speak, where I'm going to speak, what time I'm going to speak. It isn't hard. It isn't hard. So I'm here right now, answering all the questions that need to be answered, and I'm not going to change. Everybody know I am. I'm going to shoot you straight. And I've always been that way. I'm not going to change. Some people like that, some people don't, but that's okay.
Appearing defensive, one has to question his communication skills with his defensive players, especially the younger ones. With Inside Texas, I'm Juliana Nix.